Have you ever wondered what's inside your smartphone? A device that fits neatly into your palm, yet it's powerful enough to connect you with the rest of the world. It's your personal assistant, your camera, your music player, your GPS, your gaming console, and so much more. This marvel of modern technology, the smartphone, has become an indispensable part of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the minute we drift off to sleep, these compact devices are our constant companions. But what makes them so versatile and efficient? Within that slim casing lies a complex world, a labyrinth of intricate technology that powers our daily digital interactions. It's here that countless components work in harmony to bring you the convenience of a world at your fingertips. From the brain of the device that processes your commands, to the memory that stores your precious data, and the power source that keeps it all running. Prepare to embark on a journey into the fascinating world inside your smartphone. First, we dive into the heart of the smartphone, the processor. Often referred to as the brain of the smartphone, the processor is the mastermind behind every function, every application, and every task your smartphone performs. Imagine the processor as a super efficient multitasker, juggling everything from your latest social media updates to your high-score game progress, all while managing the phone's resources. The processor is also the speed demon of your smartphone. It's what determines how quickly your device can execute commands, open apps, or download files. The faster the processor, the smoother the performance. Just like a high-performance sports car, a smartphone with a high-speed processor can navigate the digital highway much faster, providing a smoother, more seamless user experience. So, whether you're streaming your favorite show, capturing that perfect shot, or just scrolling through your feed, it's the processor that's making it all happen. So, the processor actually decides how smart your smartphone is. Next, we explore the memory and storage of a smartphone. Picture this. You're in a bustling office, and your desk is your workspace. That's essentially what RAM, or random access memory, is in the realm of smartphones. It's a temporary holding space for all the data your smartphone needs right now, enabling you to switch between apps, browse the internet, and text your friends with ease and speed. But what about when you're done for the day? You don't leave everything on your desk. You store it away, and that's where your smartphone's internal storage comes into play. This is where all the data, including your favorite apps, memorable photos, and binge-worthy videos are stored. It's your smartphone's locker, safely holding all your digital possessions. So, in the grand scheme of things, RAM and storage serve as your smartphone's workspace and locker, respectively. They work hand in hand to ensure a smooth, efficient, and personalized user experience. Now, let's delve into the power behind the smartphone, the battery. This energy-packed component is the heart of every smartphone, pumping juice to every other part, keeping them alive and kicking. Just like a human heart, it's the battery that gives life to the smartphone, enabling it to perform its diverse tasks. But what does this mean in terms of how you use your phone? Well, the capacity of the battery determines how long your phone can stay awake between charges. A larger capacity means more hours of browsing, gaming, or chatting. But it's not just about size. The life of the battery is equally crucial. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge, reducing the phone's usage time. So, next time you marvel at your smartphone's capabilities, remember the unsung hero, the battery. Indeed, without a good battery, even the smartest of smartphones would be nothing but a fancy paperweight. Finally, let's look at the other components that make a smartphone. The camera on your phone isn't just about taking selfies and snapping food pictures. It's a complex system of lenses and sensors that capture light and convert it into digital data. The screen, on the other hand, is your window to the digital world, using millions of tiny pixels to display images and videos. Now, let's not forget the speakers. These little wonders transform electrical signals into sound, enabling you to hear your favorite songs or the voice of a loved one. And then we have the sensors. They might be hidden, but they're crucial. From the accelerometer that counts your steps to the ambient light sensor that adjusts your screen's brightness, these small components are always working in the background, making your smartphone experience seamless. And there you have it, a quick tour inside your smartphone. Remember, Every time you tap your screen, you're commanding a technological marvel.